When we last left off, we introduced you to George and Jane, who, upon getting together, lightning struck. But the question was, how are their finances gonna go? George, being the sensible guy that he was, he said, all right, I'm gonna date you for a while, figure out how you are and your approach towards money, and then when the time is right, I'm gonna whip out the question. Hey, my finances would like to take your finances out on a date. Think about that. Abstracting himself from the finances and really talking about it's time to maybe commingle some of these. Let's figure out a plan. Many people don't know how to do that. They may avoid it at all costs. At our Money Strategies for Stronger Couples workshop, we help you tackle it head on. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.